Traditional mud chulas emit smoke containing noxious gases and particulate matter, invisible to the naked eye, putting millions of lives at risk of respiratory ailments and other diseases across the world. Here is a story of collaboration funded by the United States India Science and Technology Endowment Fund and administered by the Indo-US Science and Technology Forum. Neha Juneja, founder of Greenway Grameen Infra Private Limited, located in Western India at Vadodara in Gujarat, and Alexander Kash of High-Z Technology Incorporated, based at San Diego, California, have together offered a clean cook stove solution. Graduating from manufacturing Greenway Smart Stove to Greenway Jumbo Stove, this is the future of all stoves called the Greenway Power Stove. It solves the problem of cooking with polluting cook stoves while also providing electrical power. What sets the Greenway Power Stove apart is this thermoelectric generator or TEG, the heart of the system. Though the thermoelectric generator technology is expensive and not new, it is the design change in the thermoelectric chip that makes it innovative. The novel chip integrated within the combustion chamber of power stove takes less of the expensive thermoelectric material like tellurium and bismuth and yet produce same wattage of electricity. It generates electricity where there is a temperature difference between the two sides of a thermoelectric generator. And the Greenway technology makes sure that there is a steep temperature difference between the heated side and the cool side of the thermoelectric generator, so that electricity keeps getting generated.
So it's a fairly powerful platform technology that we have access to. So anything that you can do with a charged battery is something that the power stove can do for you, right?
The TEG employed in the cook stove powers a fan which serves two purposes. While it cools one side of the thermoelectric generator, it also pushes some extra air into the stove, which leads to better combustion. And the better combustion is achieved by the patented air regulation technology, which allows for the air to be fed into the combustion chamber in a controlled manner. When the fuel burns, it burns more completely and allows for the heat to be transferred to the cooking vessels more efficiently.
Hence, you use lesser wood for the same amount of cooking, which means lesser carbon dioxide, lesser unburnt matter, and overall lesser particulate matter, which is released in the atmosphere.
The use of thermoelectric generator technology gives access to clean cook stove cooking as well as clean electricity to people who are not connected to the grid or who have intermittent access to electricity. In about 3 hours, the power stove provides 25 net watt hours, which provides close to 6 hours of lighting with a tube light. Charging mobile phones is also possible with this unique power stove.